Do you use WordPress and you're looking for the best plugins to rank on Google? Well, today I'm going to show you my master suite of plugins that I use for every single one of my clients. Maybe you've been installing plugins on your website and you can't seem to find which plugin, whether it's for speed, security, or just SEO basics, is the best. Well, I'm here to let you know I've spent the last 9 years testing every single plugin on the market, and I'm going to show you in speed, security, and basic SEO settings what the best plugins are. We're going to go through my top 7, and starting with number 1 is Rank Math. Rank Math in the past few years has superseded Yoast. Yoast used to be the prime on the market. It was the best plugin that any SEO optimizer would use in the WordPress market. But what Rank Math has really superseded Yoast in is its customization settings and also ease of setup and support. Yoast in the past couple years, which I don't prefer anymore, has not really updated or stayed up to date with the time. On the other hand, Rank Math has all of the settings that you need to optimize your page very well for SEO. It will give you advice on how long to make your URL. It will give you advice on how your keyword consistency is on your page. And it also has an AI text assistant. It will help you to optimize your page to the highest and best keyword consistency for the keyword that you're focused on. And not only, it has a plethora of other features that will allow you to set up your site in a way that Google will love. Number 2 on my list is Elementor. Elementor is a page builder, and it also configures with Rank Math, which is great because when you're going to build a page, you can use these two plugins seamlessly together with ease of use. One of the great things about Elementor is a grid builder, meaning that you can build in blocks on the page in live edit. Why Elementor separates itself primarily from Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, Visual Composer, and the other builders alike is because you can live edit your page and see what those edits look like without even clicking preview. This will save you time. And in the long run, if you're saving time, you can focus more on your SEO efforts. Becoming more and more a part of the SEO world is speed. So coming in at number 3 is Litespeed Cache. I've compared Litespeed Cache to many other plugins out there, such as Hummingbird or WP Rocket. And in the long run, what I've found is not only is Litespeed Cache number 1 easier to set up, but number 2, it tends to have less irregularities in the long run. And if you have clients, one thing I can tell you, you don't want irregularities on your pages, because as soon as a client catches that, believe me, there's going to be a game of cat and mouse and what's going on with the website. And so in dependability standards, Litespeed Cache has seemed to be the best. And not only, there's a lot of other YouTube videos out there and people who have tested it thoroughly, and it seems to outdo WP Rocket, Hummingbird, and all the rest. Coming in at number 4 is Custom JavaScript in CSS Editor. This has a pro version, which is the one that I prefer, and this is a great plugin if you're needing to add a Google Analytics tracking script or any kind of tracking script to the head or anything to the body or the footer. Why I prefer the pro version is because you can add specific codes or coding just to one page on the website that won't be across the entire website. Why that may be important is you have a specific page that you have a certain styling on, and you can add it just to that page alone. Makes it super simple and easy. Number 5 on my list is Maspik Spam. If you're tired of getting spam submissions on your or your client's website, Maspik Spam is probably the best on the market at blocking spam overall. It has a tolerance level, it has specific email blocking capabilities, and it has keyword blocking capabilities. And if you want to upgrade, you can enter an API to even further increase your spam blocking capabilities. The next on my list is one for security, and it's also going to help you to lock down your site. It's number 6, and it's Security Optimizer. Security Optimizer has 2-factor authentication. It also has where you can ghost your login link, and it has other tracking settings where you can see what people are doing on your website and what spam or spammers are trying to do to get into your website. It's really useful and really easy to set up, and I highly suggest it if you're looking to secure your or your client's website. The final and number 7 on my list is WP Mail SMTP. So WP Mail SMTP will help the emails from your website server get into your inbox. There's nothing like missing out on a lead, whether it's you or your client, because you have email deliverability problems. WP Mail SMTP is a free out-of-the-box solution that can help your website to accurately and 100% of the time deliver emails, and if it does break, it will tell you if it has an email deliverability problem. You can set it up in a matter of 10 minutes, and it's super easy to use, and there's nothing like knowing that your emails are going to get to your inbox when the leads are coming in. All right, so I've given you the top 7 WordPress SEO plugins that I use on a day-to-day basis to keep my site secure, to keep the SEO intact, and also to keep it lightning speed fast. I hope that this helps you set up your clients' websites and your own, and I hope you have a great week. Caleb Nation from Nation Media. See ya.